Starting our list with the miyoominiplus. It's perfect for retro fans who want their classics on the go. The 3.5-inch HD screen brings old pixel graphics back razor sharp. You've never seen Super Mario look this good. With 128 gigabytes storage, hundreds of games fit on there, and thanks to multi-emulator support, almost every retro console runs. The compact plastic body weighs just 159 grams and fits in any jacket pocket. For $75, you're getting pure nostalgia at a steal. If you want to relive your childhood, grab this one. But you probably won't be able to choose between this and the next one. The RG35XX Plus takes things up a notch with a bigger 3.5-inch IPS screen that delivers vibrant colors and zero dead angles. It comes loaded with nearly 5,000 pre-installed games right out of the box. Talk about instant nostalgia. The real kicker? It's got 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth that let you connect wireless controllers for multiplayer sessions, plus HDMI output turns any TV into your retro arcade. The slightly chunkier 308-gram body feels solid and premium in your hands, not like a cheap toy. With a 3,300 mAh battery, you're looking at 6 to 7 hours of non-stop gaming. At just $55, it's actually cheaper than the Mini Plus, but packs way more features. If you want plug-and-play retro gaming with friends, this is your pick. The GKD Pixel 2 is for purists who want their retro gaming with premium vibes. This thing rocks a full aluminum body in 4 slick colors. It feels like a luxury gadget, not a toy. At just 136 grams and pocket-sized, it's the most portable powerhouse here. The 2.4-inch IPS screen might be smaller, but it's razor-sharp at 640 by 480 and delivers surprisingly vibrant colors. The grooved aluminum back isn't just for looks. It gives you serious grip during intense gaming sessions. Sure, the 1,800 mAh battery only lasts 3 hours, but you're paying for craftsmanship here. At $90, it's the priciest so far, but you're holding a piece of art. If style matters as much as gameplay, this is your console. Next up is this true marvel of a device. The MagicX 040 flips the script. Literally. This one's built for DS emulation with its vertical 4-inch IPS screen running 480 by 800 resolution. That portrait orientation brings Nintendo DS classics back exactly how they were meant to be played. The narrow bezel design makes the screen feel way bigger than it is, and the fingerprint-resistant multi-touch adds modern convenience to retro gaming. Power? The beefy 4,300 mAh battery crushes it with 7 to 9 hours of playtime. Easily the longest-lasting device on this list. At 349 grams, it's the heaviest here, but that weight feels solid and reassuring in your hands. Wi-Fi connectivity opens up online features and easy game transfers. For $90, you're getting a specialist that does DS gaming better than anything else. If Pokemon or Zelda DS games are your jam, this is built for you. And here's where things get absolutely wild. The RGB20SX brings a game changer nobody saw coming. A perfectly square 4-inch screen at 720 by 720 resolution. That 1:1 aspect ratio isn't just quirky, it's genius for displaying classic arcade games and early consoles exactly as they were designed. The IPS display with full lamination makes colors pop like never before. This beast comes loaded with over 25,000 pre-installed games covering 30+ platforms. You could play a different game every day for 68 years. The monster 5,000 mAh battery delivers a whopping 10 hours of gameplay, outlasting everything else by miles. At 318 grams, it's hefty but balanced, with dual 3D joysticks that feel surprisingly premium for the plastic build. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and HDMI mean you can play solo or party mode on the big screen. For $90, you're getting the most versatile retro powerhouse here. If you want everything in one package, this is it. Now we're hitting premium territory. The My Arcade Atari Gamestation Go is officially licensed nostalgia in its purest form. This isn't just another emulator box. It's the real deal with over 200 authentic Atari games, including Pac-Man, Asteroids, and Breakout. The genius Smart Glow tech lights up only the controls you need for each game, so you're never fumbling with buttons. That massive 7-inch full-color display is the biggest screen on our list, and it shows every pixel of those classic arcade visuals beautifully. What sets it apart? Built-in paddle, trackball, D-pad, and bumpers let you play each game with its original control scheme, something no other device here offers. The sleek black design with glowing controls looks like it belongs in a retro arcade. HDMI output and Wi-Fi for updates keep it modern, while the rechargeable battery keeps you portable. At $99, it's easily the most expensive, but you're paying for authentic licensed Atari heritage. If you want the real nostalgic experience with zero compromises, this is your endgame.